Hey everyone, it's Dallas. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a skincare video. This is my top natural ingredient that I use on my face every night. Not every night, but most nights. And I just thought I'd share it with you guys. It's been talked about a lot and I just wanted to show you all my process, how I use it, how I cut it, how I apply it to my face, and all that good stuff. You are now watching my TV. Peep my spoiler natural is cool shirt that I got from Zara. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how I cut the aloe. I have an aloe plant and I just cut a piece of the aloe. I didn't get that, but the aloe is about, you know, this long or whatever, this wide, and then you just cut it off of the plant. Then what I do is I put it in the fridge. And then I cut a little piece off when I'm ready to put it on my face. And then I'm going to cut the sides off. You want to cut the little pricklies off on each side. And then obviously I wrap it in saran wrap. And then I'm literally just going to cut it in the middle. Like this. And then I don't cut it all the way down, I just cut it so it's like this. Okay, so then I just literally take the piece and I use one piece for the top half of my face and then the other pieces for the rest of my face. And we're trying to get rid of this blemish. You know, we got some blemishes going on, so this is gonna help. So we'll just, okay, it's a little gooey. I'm just gonna apply it like this. And when you put it in the fridge, it's super cooling, so it's like a little beauty treatment, if you will. So like that. And then you'll take the other half. And you wanna focus on those blemish areas. Get this real good. And then what I like to do is use my thumb to literally just scrape up the gel so you can get the most out of the aloe that you have. And then just rub it in some more. And then there will be like little clumps of gel, but then you'll just take it off. And this dries pretty quick, so you don't have to look like a glazed donut for too long. Kind of like wipe it off of your lips because you don't want to get it in your mouth. It's like a bitter, like, ugh. It dries pretty quickly. I'd say like 15 minutes. Nothing too crazy, but sometimes I do sleep in it, which doesn't really matter. You can do it quickly, but if you're ready to get in bed and you just want to make sure you do the mask, then I would say you can sleep in it. So yeah, this is what I do pretty much every day. If I don't do it at night, I'll do it in the morning. Overall, it improves the tone of your skin, gives you a natural glow, and it also helps heal. Like if you have any pimples on your face and you pop them, or if you're trying to get them to harden so that the dirt can just come out, this helps with that. So it helps with when you're trying to get the pimple to come to a head, and also you can use it for the healing process, because I'm sure you've heard aloe heals like sunburns, any type of burns on your body. So that's what it is. It's pretty much like a healing ingredient, and it helps to rejuvenate the skin and just replenish the color and all those things. You can use it as little or as often as you like. And so yeah, I'm just gonna do this over a few days so you guys can see the results of the aloe mask. So stay tuned. So this is my second day showing you guys how I use my aloe plant as a mask. And I just wanted to show you guys my aloe plant. It looks a little sad right now because I've been using it a lot, clearly, but it is gonna grow back, obviously. So yeah, this is my aloe plant. It really does look crazy, but it's so worth having. the plant versus having to go and buy like the leaf every week. Invest in a plant. Hopefully yours doesn't look like mine, but it is worth getting. And so as you can see, I have my aloe plant that was in the fridge, wrapped it in saran wrap. So I'm gonna unwrap that and put it on. So this is how it looks. I'm just gonna cut. Just rinsed off the mask and I have a little bit of excess water on my face, and I'm just gonna tap it into my face. And I learned this technique from Takia B, which is who actually inspired me to start using aloe. I'll link her video below. It's very helpful. Gotta give the credit when credit is due. Alright, tapping it in. Basically tapping the water in is like just allowing your face to hold the moisture in, because water is moisture. And also I did rinse with cold water, which is supposed to be like good for the skin as well, just because you're not, the hot water dries out your skin, so the cold water is to like seal in the moisture. I feel like this is fading. I mean, I'm not totally sure, but to me it kind of looks like it's fading. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. Tell me if it looks less dark as it did yesterday. But anyways, this is my skin after the aloe mask, after applying moisturizer, after rinsing it and then applying moisturizer. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys just one more day of applying the aloe mask. Ooh yes, glazed donut. How my skin looks in the natural light. It's a little bright, but this is how this area is looking after using aloe on it. It's only been 3 days, but I definitely see a difference in the appearance of the dark spot. Hey y'all, it's me, Dallas. Doing a check-in on my skin, kind of showing you how this area has diminished in color, faded from using the aloe. Everything else is pretty clear. I just have this problem area, a little bit of problem areas in here. I just popped this pimple and applied aloe to it after so that it could heal. I just want to close out this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below and comment below if you want to see my skincare routine. If you have any other questions about the aloe, let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.